Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer mozzarella sticks. These can be made gluten-free as well, and they can be made as Ninja Foodi mozzarella sticks. So you can make these in your Ninja multi-cooker, your Ninja Foodi grill, your Ninja Speedy, any product from Ninja that has an air crisp function, you can make them in. So you're going to need half a cup of gluten-free or regular all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of gluten-free or regular breadcrumbs, and then 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Regarding the breadcrumbs, be sure to use the smallest that you can find. If you use thicker breadcrumbs, they don't stick as well. They'll still come out fine, but I would try to crunch them down as small as you can get, or as fine as you can get. So you'll need these things along with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 10 mozzarella string cheese and marinara or ranch for dipping. So you are just using string cheese just like you'd buy in a package, but we're just going to use 10 of those. Now the first thing you want to do is prepare 3 different bowls. The first bowl you're going to add your flour to. The second one you're going to crack the eggs and beat them well. So you want them really well mixed. Now in the third bowl you're going to add your breadcrumbs and seasonings and mix this up with a fork to get it nice and combined. So now we're going to get to our mozzarella sticks. You want to get all those out and cut them right in half to make small cheese sticks. That's what we're about to do here. So we're cutting those in half. And then we're going to go ahead and get ready to dip these cheese sticks into the bowls. You'll also want to have a sheet pan handy because you will need that as well. So the first thing you'll do here is roll the cheese in the flour, then drip off any excess of that. Go to the egg, drip off the excess again, and then coat with breadcrumbs. You'll want to pack those breadcrumbs in really well on the cheese sticks. This is where it's best if you use the finest breadcrumbs. They stick the best to these. So that is what we're doing here. And then as soon as you get them coated, you're going to arrange them on a sheet pan. Once they are all complete, you'll place that sheet pan in the freezer for 30 minutes. This gets the cheese hard enough that it's not going to fully melt whenever you are putting it in the air fryer. So now we have our air fryer ready to go. And our cheese sticks, we're going to preheat the air fryer at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. After you do that, you either want to line it with parchment paper or coat it with grapeseed oil spray. Now, I went ahead and lined it here. Make sure you have food on the liner before you start the air fryer. Otherwise, nothing is weighing it down. So we're going to air fry this for 7 to 9 minutes, and you want to do the air crisp function if you're using a Ninja, and then carefully flip them over halfway during cooking time. Now that's 7 to 9 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as they start to ooze out, that is when you're going to pull them out of the air fryer. A little bit of cheese oozed out, totally fine. They're still going to taste amazing. The cheese that oozed out will also taste amazing, so don't just toss it. So once you get them done, you will go ahead and plate them, and you can serve them with marinara or ranch sauce, whichever one that you prefer. This is how you make air fryer mozzarella sticks or Ninja Foodi mozzarella sticks. You can find the full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. You can also find it on airfryerfanatics.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next video. Thanks for tuning in today.